how to adjust the IMAX sensor. Firstly, we need to click follow punctuation on, compensation on. Now, this is the sensor. We switch this knob to the right, then move the field. Move the field, the Primark on the sensor. Then we turn this knob. We turn the sensitivity. 着㗎嘛？依家係倒熄標點嘅時候。倒熄標點係熄。Okay. It's off. Light is off. The sensor on the Primark and the light is off. 着㗎依家，it's off. Now we move the Primark away from the sensor. We adjust sensitivity to on. It's on now. And then we turn the knob back a little bit. Make testing. Move the film. 喐啊！唔得。Yeah, it's working now. It's working. Okay, run the machine.我幾個袋俾我睇下，攞兩個。We found the cutting is not on the Primark. Look, but the same distance around maybe 幾多毫米啊？around 8 millimeter. We go to the correct length. Input A. Okay, run the machine again. The cutting precision will be correct directly. Now, it's working.